In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a numbered list in Slack. Whether you're organizing a project, preparing a meeting agenda, or simply listing tasks as in a conversation, a numbered list can bring clarity and order to your communication. We'll explore two straightforward methods: creating a manual numbered list and crafting a nested numbered list. Let's dive right in. First, let's create a manual numbered list. This method is simple and straightforward, perfect for situations where you need to present your points in a clear sequence. Begin by typing your list, starting with the number 1 followed by a period. For example, you might type 1 period space followed by first item. After this, on a new line, type 2 period space then second item, and continue this pattern for each subsequent item. So, your list should look something like this: 1 period space first item, 2 period space second item, 3 period space third item, and 4 period space fourth item. Once you've completed typing your list, go ahead and send your message. You'll notice that Slack preserves the numbering and formatting as is. It's a straightforward approach that ensures your information is clearly presented and easily digestible for your teammates. Now let's move on to the second method, which involves creating a nested numbered list. This technique is incredibly handy when you wish to organize subtasks or details under each main item on your list. To get started, type the number and first item of your main list, just like before. For instance, 1 period space project setup. Now if you wish to add sub-items under this main item, you'll need to indent these sub-items by using spaces. Suppose you want to add create a workspace as a subtask under project setup. You would type space 1 period space followed by create a workspace. For the next sub-item, invite team members, you'd repeat this process: space 2 period space and invite team members. Do remember that these sub-items need to be manually numbered. Slack won't automatically renumber them for you if you decide to make changes later. Therefore, it's essential to update these numbers if you add or reorder tasks to ensure your list remains accurate and coherent. Finally, let's apply the same nested technique to list items under a second category, such as launch. Like before, you'd start with 2 period space launch, and for sub-items, test the workflow and announce to the team. Prefix each with 2 spaces before numbering them. Remember, attention to this detail ensures that your list is not only visually appealing but also functional and easy for your colleagues to follow along. With these methods at your disposal, you're equipped to create organized and clear numbered lists in Slack. These lists can significantly enhance communication and collaboration within your team, making sure everyone stays informed and aligned. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.